I remembered. It was the day Yasmin went into labor.
Yeah, Firdaus was just flooring it.
Honestly, when your wife is in pain beside you, you drive much faster.
My water broke around 10 o'clock. It was still about a week early. So it caught us both by surprise.
It happened at one of those small roads yang gelap sangat malam tu.
I couldn't really help him to look. Was kind of busy being tortured by the baby.
So how it all happened was, I was turning into this small junction, and at the last second, I saw a car speeding towards me. And judging by how fast it was going, I know it looks like it was going to be a bad accident.
I heard a loud beep from the truck, like a warning sound. Then the truck braked so hard, even the tires were screeching. So the oncoming car hit us. Because the truck braked early, luckily we hit him at an angle instead of head on.
That feeling, when I turned over to look if my wife and the baby were okay, I will never forget it. I've never felt fear like this.
Thankfully, it wasn't that bad. We just drifted away a couple of meters, but definitely okay.
The front bumper was badly damaged, rosak teruk. But amazingly, everything still runs. I explained the situation to the other guy and promised to settle everything after we got to the hospital.
It's been a year since then. So, I'd like to introduce you to our healthy baby girl, Grace Anna Sophia. This was how we were saved by Isuzu ALLSIGHT.